In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Kajabi. We're going to set this up by first creating a form inside Kajabi and then using Zapier to send new Typeform entries into that Kajabi form automatically. This is a really useful workflow if you're collecting leads, signups, or contact information through Typeform and want those submissions to flow directly into your Kajabi system without manual copy and paste. To get started, open your Kajabi dashboard. Once you're inside Kajabi, head over to the marketing section. In the marketing area, click on Forms. This is where you can create and manage the forms that collect contact information inside Kajabi. Now create a new form by clicking New Form. You'll be prompted to give the form a title. Enter a clear title that helps you recognize what this form is for. In this example, the form is being used for Typeform leads, so name it something that makes sense for your workflow and makes it easy to identify later when you connect it in Zapier. After entering the title, click Save. Once the form has been created, the next part is to add the fields you want Kajabi to receive. Add fields for first name, last name, and email. These are the core fields you'll typically want when passing lead information from Typeform into Kajabi. It's important that the fields in Kajabi match the kind of information you expect to collect from Typeform, because later in Zapier you'll map the Typeform answers into these Kajabi fields. After adding those fields, click Save again to make sure the form is updated. With the Kajabi form ready, the next part happens in Zapier. Log into your Zapier account and create a new Zap. A Zap is the automation that connects one app to another, so in this case, Typeform will be the trigger and Kajabi will be the action. Inside the new Zap, click on Trigger. For the Trigger app, search for and select Typeform. Then click into the event drop-down labeled Choose an Event and select New Entry. This tells Zapier that the automation should run every time a new response is submitted through a Typeform form. Next, click on the Account section and choose your Typeform account. If you haven't connected it yet, this is where you would connect it. Once the correct account is selected, click Continue. Now you'll need to choose which Typeform this Zap should watch. Click on the field that says Choose Value, then select the specific form you want to use. In this case, select the form you want connected to Kajabi. After that, click Continue. Zapier will now ask you to test the trigger. Click Test Trigger. This step is helpful because it pulls in a recent submission from your Typeform so you can use real sample data during setup. If your form is brand new and doesn't have any responses yet, it's usually a good idea to submit a quick test response first so Zapier has something to find. Once the trigger test is successful, you're ready to move on. Now click on Action to define what should happen after a new Typeform entry is received. For the Action app, search for and select Kajabi. Then open the Choose an Event drop-down and select Create Form Submission. This action tells Zapier to take the information from Typeform and create a submission inside your Kajabi form. Next, click on Account and connect your Kajabi account if needed, or select it if it's already connected. After choosing the right Kajabi account, click Continue. Now, Zapier will ask you for the Kajabi site. Choose the correct site from the drop-down. If you manage more than one site, take an extra second here to make sure you're selecting the right one, since the submission needs to go into the correct Kajabi environment. After that, choose the form you created earlier in Kajabi. Select the new form from the list. If you named it something like Typeform Leads, choose that form here. This step is what links your Typeform data to the exact Kajabi form you prepared at the beginning. Once the site and form are selected, click Continue. Now you'll map the incoming Typeform information into the Kajabi fields. In the name field, enter the matching data from Typeform. Depending on how your Typeform is structured, this may be a full name field, or a combination of first and last name data. The goal is to pass the respondent's name into Kajabi correctly. Then, in the email field, insert the email value coming from Typeform. Be careful to map the correct response fields here, because this is what Kajabi will use when creating the form submission and identifying the contact. After mapping the name and email fields, click Continue. At this point, Zapier is ready to test the action. Click Test Step. This sends a sample form submission into Kajabi using the Typeform test data that Zapier pulled in earlier. If everything is configured properly, the test should complete successfully and you should be able to confirm the submission inside your Kajabi form records. This final test is important because it verifies that the connection works from end to end. It confirms that a new Typeform response can trigger the automation, that Zapier can read the data, and that Kajabi can receive it in the correct form. Once the test succeeds, your integration is essentially set up and ready to use. From that point forward, whenever someone submits your selected type form, Zapier can pass that information into the Kajabi form you created. A couple of practical tips as you go through this. Make sure your type form includes the fields you actually plan to map, especially name and email, and make sure your Kajabi form has the fields prepared before you build the Zap. If something doesn't appear correctly in Zapier, retesting the trigger after submitting a fresh Typeform response often helps. Also, using clear form names in both Typeform and Kajabi makes setup much easier and helps prevent selecting the wrong form by mistake. And that's how to connect Typeform to Kajabi using Zapier by creating a Kajabi form, setting Typeform as the trigger, and using Kajabi's create form submission action to send the data across automatically.